Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Costco Shop Card at gas station. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure your Costco Shop Card has enough balance to cover the cost of your fuel. Next, drive to a Costco gas station and park your vehicle at an available pump. When the pump prompts you for payment, insert or scan your Costco Shop Card using the card reader. In many locations, the shop card can also be used to access the fuel station, so you may not need to scan a separate Costco membership card. Simply follow the on-screen instructions displayed on the pump. Once the pump is activated, select your fuel grade, remove the nozzle, and begin fueling your vehicle. When you're finished, return the nozzle to the pump. Your payment will be automatically deducted from the balance on your Costco shop card, and you can print or view a receipt if that option is available. And that's it! So that's basically how you can use Costco Shop Card at gas station. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.